How are truck wrecks different than car wrecks? Collisions involving trucks can involve serious injuries and specialized insurance carriers. That means truck wreck victims need to hire an experienced truck wreck lawyer in Kentucky, like one of ours at the Becker Law Office, instead of just another car crash lawyer. We have a proven track record of success handling truck crash cases throughout the Bluegrass State, and we can help you and your family too. The following illustrates some of the differences between car accidents and accidents involving trucking companies. 1. Commercial vehicles must follow the rules and regulations of the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, also known as the FMCSA. These regulations govern the conduct of all truck drivers and trucking companies throughout the United States, no matter where they are from, going to, or licensed in. These regulations are minimum requirements. However, sometimes state law may be more restrictive. Extensive knowledge of these regulations can help maximize your recovery in a truck wreck case, which is why you need to call an experienced truck wreck lawyer like the attorneys here at the Becker Law Office. 2. Commercial vehicles have a black box that must be collected quickly. Commercial trucks like big rigs, flatbeds, box trucks, semi-tractor trailers, and other types of 18-wheelers have an electronic control module, or ECM. This functions like a black box and collects data about what the truck and truck driver were doing before a crash, which is something most cars don't have. You need to hire an experienced truck accident lawyer to collect this data immediately to protect it from being altered or deleted by the defendant. 3. Different mechanicals. Trucks have different mechanical components that are unique to them and may affect how liability is determined in a crash. Everything from the steering columns and wheels to the air brake system is different, and your lawyer must know about these systems to effectively litigate for you. If you were injured in a Kentucky truck wreck, call the experienced truck wreck lawyers at the Becker Law Office to learn more about your rights under the law. You can reach us by just dialing 3s or through our website at beckerlaw.com.